Back to the channel. My name is Vincent. This channel is I for Profit. What you're about to see is actually an extremely casual video of me showing you in real time how to use eBay's bulk editor, where you can literally edit practically all of your eBay listings at the same time, targeting specific things that they all have in common. My kid was in the room, but I wanted to show you guys me actually doing this for myself in real time. So like I said, the video is extremely casual. My collar was messed up, but please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. More tips like this that's going to be showing people how to actually use eBay and bring you to a whole new level as a seller. Thanks again. Enjoy the video. So you need to click on listings here, and then this is taking me to my active listings. And what I want to do right now is remove all of my free shipping first class. So I'm gonna use this bar right here, and these are all the things you can target. So I'm targeting my shipping policy right now. But let's say you want to edit global shipping program, if you want to get better, if you want to change your return policy. My kid's in the room, sorry about that. Change your return policy to like free shipping or remove free returns is what I meant to say. If you want to start doing free returns or remove free returns, you want to target the return policy, return criteria, anything that has multiple quantities, handling time, free shipping, etc. Item title, you want to turn on or off best offer. So I know how to do it using shipping policy, and then you want to say shipping policy is equal to first class free shipping. Now I'm going to hit search, and then now I have 80 results of items that I have listed with first class free shipping. First class free shipping. And what I want to do is remove these. For the most part, I want to remove this on all of these, mainly the old items. I know there are some newer items that I have listed that I want to leave free shipping on. So let me not include those in this. I do remember this was a competitive. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I turn on really aggressive sales for old items that are not selling. And basically what I do not want to happen is for me to lose money because I drastically discounted the price of the item and it had free shipping on. So what we're going to do is hit edit. We're going to edit the selected. And now that was all preliminary. This right here is where the true magic happens, right? So we already know what we're targeting, which is the shipping policy. So we're going to select all. We know that all these items have free first class shipping. Now we're going to go to edit fields, and we're going to hit shipping policy. And then shipping policy right here, we're going to change to. And we're going to change to first class shipping. Buyer pays for shipping. And this one here is where it is now. First class shipping, free shipping. We're going to change it to first class buyer pays. Then we're going to hit save and close. And now boom, I have edited 72 items all at the same time. Submit changes. Confirm and submit. And that's how you use the bulk editor. You cannot do this from the mobile app. You must do it from the desktop site. So that's going to be it for this quick tutorial, you guys. I shall see you on the next one. Check you later.